That day itself of the storm and after, a lot of patients lost power. A lot of people around us lost power, and because we're the only pharmacy in the area that was open, we got a lot of patients coming to us. So what we did was, even if they brought their medication bottle, we tried calling their pharmacy to get the prescription transferred, but if their pharmacy was closed, we gave them emergency supply to hold them over. If that wasn't possible, we tried calling the doctor, and that emergency supply we gave regardless, the 3-day emergency supply to hold them over. After that, we tried getting in touch with the doctor just to see if we can get the whole prescription out to them, and at least they're good for 1 month. That's one thing we did. Another thing was nebulizing station setup. It was a patient coming with 5-year-old and 7-year-old to our pharmacy to give nebulizing treatment to their child because they didn't have power. So we made sure that we had those resources for them. A lot of patients just came in to charge their phones, nebulizing treatment, and just stay warm just in our pharmacy, and just to feel comfortable, because if they had any questions, they could just ask our pharmacist, and we were there to answer their questions.